In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower opacity in CapCut PC. If you need to soften a video layer, make a background graphic semi-transparent, or blend a watermark more cleanly into your footage, this is one of the simplest adjustments you can make in CapCut on a PC. Lowering opacity basically means reducing how solid a layer appears so the content underneath can show through. It's a small change, but it can make overlays look much more polished and professional. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the exact clip, graphic, or text overlay that you want to soften. Click directly on that item once to select it. When it's selected properly, you'll see a clear white outline around the layer. That visual boundary is important because it confirms that CapCut is now focused on the correct asset, and any changes you make will apply to that selected layer only. Before moving on, take a second to make sure you've clicked the right block in the timeline, especially if you're working with multiple stacked layers. Next, move your attention to the top right side of the CapCut window, where the Properties panel is located. This is where CapCut gives you detailed controls for the item you've selected. Along the top of that panel, click on the tab labeled Video. Then, just beneath that, make sure the Basic subtab is selected. The Basic section is where many of the most commonly used adjustment tools are stored, including the transparency setting you need for this task. Once you're inside the Basic panel, scroll down slightly until you find the section labeled Blend. In that area, look for the opacity control. By default, it will usually be set to 100%, which means the layer is fully visible and not transparent at all. Click and drag the opacity slider to the left to reduce that value. For example, bringing it down to around 60% will make the layer softer while still keeping it easy to see, and lowering it closer to 40% will create a stronger transparent effect. As you adjust the slider, keep an eye on the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see the selected layer change instantly, allowing the background footage or layers underneath to show through more clearly. This real-time preview makes it easy to fine-tune the look until it feels balanced. And that's it. Once you've selected the timeline layer, opened the Video tab, gone into Basic, found Blend, and lowered the opacity slider, you're done.